Greetings from HPC, Dayton, Ohio. My name is Sean Steinley. I'm the CEO of HPC Fire Inspired.
Good afternoon. I'm Greg Steck. I'm Director of Engineering at HPC Fire Inspired.
Guys, we're really excited. We're starting a new series. It's Fun with Fire. This is an exciting series where we're going to talk about everything to do with fire. Today's episode is going to talk about the electronic ignition Penta burner fire feature. We're going to get into these applications, and we're going to talk about the specific unboxing of these products. So first, I want to talk a little bit about the packaging. You can see we have HPC Fire Inspired on the packaging and on the tape. You can see we are NFI certified. We also are CSA certified. We also stand for very strong safety. So we're inspired for safety, innovative for your lifestyle. So we have a lot of technology to enhance our products. If you look on the front of this, you can see the label that outlines the part. And then you also have this built. Built's a new interactive 3D instructions that we introduced in the fall of last year in 2019. It's a great technology. It goes through step-by-step process on a smart app that you don't need internet access. Once you download, it's there. It'll walk you through it. It also has troubleshooting. Greg Steck's gonna take it from here. He's gonna walk through unboxing and telling you what you get and what the product offers.
Hey, thanks, John. Good afternoon. I'm going to run through here and again unbox our 19-inch Penta burner. As Sean mentioned, the tape mentions a lot of our selling points for HPC product. We put a lot of pride into how we engineer not just the product but the packaging itself. So when you open it up, you're going to find obviously the fire pit insert inside the box. You'll see this another insert that kind of protects it during shipping. There'll be a flex line attached to this, again, just to protect the flex line. That's something that you'll use for the fire pit installation once you get the enclosure built. Looking inside, you also get an instruction packet, which we'll talk a little bit about that in a few minutes. And then we'll go ahead and pull out the fire pit. Notice there's a cardboard collar around the flange of the pan. That's just to protect the unit during shipping. Just go ahead and lift that up for me, Sean. Okay. All right. So we got our 19-inch electronic ignition fire pit. This is the lower box here is actually where all the controls are at. That's the brains. It's got the valve, control module, and all the voltage requirements that has to happen there. Okay, so at the top of the 19-inch fire pit, you're going to see obviously the pan. This is our stainless steel bowl pan. That's what's going to hold your media, be it lava rock or decorative fiberglass. This is our Penta burner. This is something that HPC has patented and gives a very strong campfire effect. Important to know though, it has a lifetime warranty, which means anything that happens to this burner itself within 10, 15, 20 years down the road, we are going to replace it at no charge. This little box here is what we call a blowout box. That is what houses the electronic ignition and the flame sensing. If it doesn't sense the flame, it will turn the gas off immediately for safety. Obviously, you would want to pull this blue tape off once you install it. This is just meant for shipping reasons. On the bottom side, when you look at the fire pit, this is 120 volt, obviously, hence the power cord here. And then you also got some of the controls going up to the sensing network. This unit here is a electronic ignition on-off unit, so that means it can be controlled either by a wall switch, remote control, or even a whole house system. So if you got a control system that's running everything else in your house, this will hook to it as well. Another important aspect is this insulation piece. It's important to keep that on there. Fire pits obviously run hot. That's just to make sure that the controls all stay cool underneath the unit. One important note from a safety standpoint is when you go to unbox, as Sean mentioned, it has the model number on there, and with that model number, it's got the gas type. Extremely critical to confirm that if you're using LP gas, for example, this unit's built for LP gas. And what you want to do is confirm, okay, the box is correct, and so let's confirm that the unit is correct, and it also states the same thing that it's built for LP gas or natural gas if you're using that. Along inside the box as well is the packaging for the instructions. You have an instruction manual that you'll be able to flip through there and study all the important information. Please read this very, very carefully. There's a lot of install key points, safety aspects, and everything that goes with it. Sean mentioned the Built app. Very, very useful. Very, very good. We get calls quite often about install questions with the fire pit. This app solves a lot of that, answers a lot of questions. We've been in the industry for over 20 years, and a lot of those common questions are solved right here. Basically, you just go to the QR code, download the app, and go. Don't hesitate to call us if there's any questions. Backside of this sheet, you get the accessory sheet. It shows the logs, remote controls, for example, the electronic ignition. You got the on-off, shutdown, power stations, wind guards, covers, things of that nature. Feel free to go to our website to check out more of our accessories. And from a safety standpoint, we have a shutdown and startup instruction label. What you want to do with that is place that on the fire pit where you're going to shut it down, start it up. Maybe inside, if you got a door where you're going to open up to get to the controls, go ahead and apply it to that. That's just so if somebody's new to the pit, they understand how to fire it up and shut it down safely. Okay, Sean?
Thank you, Greg. Thanks for that great explanation of unboxing and talking through the different high-level attributes of our ignition. Please go to our website. Please call us anytime. We answer the phone. We have NFI certified techs available all the time. We have a customer service team, and of course, the sales and management team will be glad to help you out, walk you through any situation. So for now, bye for now, and until the next episode, we look forward to sharing more of this fun fire facts.
Thank you.